Hey everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails. Welcome back to my channel. Let's hop into the Instagram recreation. You guys, I am doing my older sister's nails. It's been a minute, okay? So right here, I'm going over her nails with my old acrylic Kolinsky brush. It's doused in alcohol. And yeah, I'm just making sure I get rid of all that dust because we have already shaped a very nice curvaceous stiletto nail. Okay, babes? Sell me a secret dehydrator. I don't know. I feel like I can't live without this stuff. Yes, I have the swipe. Yes, I have acetone. Yes, I have alcohol. But yes, I want the dehydrator. Now, my sister washes loads of dishes, mops. You know, she's that girl. She's that mom. So I wanted to go in with 2 coats of the protein bond. And this is for experimental purposes. Like, I want to see how it lasts. Like, if her nails stay on, then we already know that the protein bond at Young Nails is the GOAT. Okay? So now I'm just coating the nails with Gershion's base coat, very thin layer, and I will be carrying that for 30 seconds. And of course, I only did this after the protein bond had thoroughly dried. Of course, we're working with Polygel. She loves Gershion's Polygel, so I will be dousing my brush in a bit of base coat, and I will be using Gershion's Polygel #1 from the red kit. I need to get this kit because every time I use it on my sister and my mom, I'm like, why don't I own this kit? I'll tell you why, because that kit's like freaking 40, must be $35, $45. I don't got it. Hello, that's why. I'm over here doing my sister's nails because she did my daughter's hair. Do you see what I mean? It's like a trade up in here. I don't got no money. You know what I mean? So I applied that bead super close to the cuticle. I'm making sure that the cuticle is nice and flush from the center to the left side wall, then center again to the right side wall. Concentrate as much of that product to the center, and then I feather it all down to the free edge, constantly checking my apex. And this is one of the stiffer polygels that I've seen because, you know, it doesn't have that much pigment going on. But I find that the base coat softens it up a bit. Even so, I don't want too much base coat on my brush, but look at how it just glides. Look at how it just glides across it. Look at that. Butter, gel, you know what I mean? So right here again, I'm making sure that I has me a nice apex, you guys. Has me a nice apex, and making sure that I check that free edge. And yeah, I like this color and any color that has less pigment of all the Gershion's polygel because it's nice and stiff but also movable. Everything else is kind of on the runnier side, but that's where I'm at. Now, I did cure those nails for a full 60 seconds and moved from one hand to the next. I've cleansed the nails, and now I'm going in with my Pana 5-in-1 drill bit, and I am touching up the cuticle area. I want it to be nice and flush. I am tapering on those side walls, and then I'm running it down the surface of the nail to make sure we have the perfect shape. Also not messing with my apex too much, okay, because it's right where I need it to be. Now, my sister has these wide nails, so I do have to be careful to try to get the nail to be like one uniform shape. You guys, I cannot find my medium grit Pana 5-in-1 bit. I feel like I said this again before, but I can't find it, and I'm upset about it. I'm so annoyed because that's such a good drill bit, and it was $6.99. I know that's cheap, but that was expensive, bro. Anyways, so now I'm going in with my Glitter Bells metal filing board. This is the 180 grit side, and I am further making sure that that cuticle area is flush, tapering in those side walls, going down the barrel of the nail. Boom. Lunch break. It's barbecue again. I ain't complaining. How slow. Yeah. There's still no potato salad, but you know.
Lisa.
Whatever.
What I tell you for that? You come.
Ain't no potato salad. Ain't no potato salad.
You done
Sweet,
left here.
it's sweet barbecue sauce, sweet coleslaw, savory rice, no potato salad. Y'all let me know in the
You don't
comments.
live here.
No. It's sweet barbecue sauce.
You don't live here.
Anyway, all the seasonings, whatever. This is how your sisters be talking to you. But all I'm saying is something
You don't live
savory
here,
in
that's
the
what I
side
said.
order would be good. Look at, so hateful. So hateful. But look at her nails so far. Just respect. Guys, this is the look that we are recreating from Helen's nails, and we're gonna take it from blue and nude to pink. So I am applying Model 1's solid cream number 4, and it is this beautiful, like soft, I would say, would I say it's a Barbie pink? Yeah, it's a soft kind of a Barbie pink. And I do cure this for 60 seconds. I do about 2 to 3 coats on here because this gel brush, I don't know, it be playing. Sometimes it's good and sometimes it isn't. And then I go in with Model 1's solid cream number 18, and this is, oh my gosh, it can be like a jelly color. Like if you apply it very thin, for example, on that ring finger, it's just one coat, bro. Like, come on, we could get away with this. It's just one coat, but I wanted the richness. I wanted the luxe. So I applied 2 coats, but I did this on the ring finger, the index, and the thumb, and kept the middle finger and the pinky that Barbie pink. So now we're going in with a bit of art. I have, what did I mix this pink down with? I feel like I either did it with top coat or like a gel polish that's close to its color. We are creating those blotches from the look that Helen created, and I wanted to do those with the, you know, the darker of the pinks, you know, the color number 18 from Model 1's, and I'm using my dotting tool. And now I'm taking Model 1's, this is their solid cream in number 1 in black, and I've mixed it with a bit of Missy's gel polish, and I'm creating the basic outline for the leopard look. And I'm taking, yes, this is that ombre brush that I made, and I'm flicking this back and forth, and I did use this technique in another video. I'll show you. I think it was like a leopard look that I did for Valentine's Day, and I was using a method by Natasha Harton, but I'll put it up here so you guys can check it out. And to wrap it all up, there are rhinestones that come with this red kit. So I've gone in with gem gel, Gadget's gem gel, and I'm applying some rhinestones and a bit of caviar beads. And I'm still working on my rhinestone placement. Okay, I'm still working on how I'm going to be creative with that. Okay, it's coming along. But up until now, you're going to get the classics, okay? Around the cuticle, a little something in the center. Maybe I'll do a little swoosh. I don't know, but we going to get there. So some AB crystals definitely had to happen, making this look pop. I did, as you can see, I have some pink rhinestones back there. They didn't cut it. So we went with we should have listened to Helen and went with the AB crystals from that time. And I have not cured the top coat yet. I've not cured the gem gel. I'm just making sure that I apply them on each other nice and wet, and I'm pushing that top coat into the rhinestones but not over top. And top coating time means it's the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you thought I did Helen's look nice and neat. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please follow me on social media. Follow Helen on social media as well as Natasha Harton. Look forward to the product list below, and here's the video and picture of the finished look. Love you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.